2015 Dodge Charger HEMI, 5.7 liter. Still got the stock converters there and there. Then it comes into a factory X pipe. Then we did some FLOWMASTER Super 10s right there and right there. Part number 842518. If you guys want to look in the description, you can purchase those and put them on your vehicle. And then there's the two tailpipes right there and right there. We cut the back two resonators or mid mufflers or rear mufflers. Everybody calls them differently. And there it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. 2011 Dodge Charger HEMI. HEMI. Still got the factory converters right there, right there. Then it comes into a factory X pipe. Then we did something different. Flow FX FLOWMASTERs. One there and one there. Then we did a muffler delete on the back, or resonator delete also. Right there and right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. There's the Flow FX. If you guys want these mufflers, you can see the link in the description on where to get them. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. FLOWMASTER Super 10s never disappoint. They always sound good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Not bad, not bad. This is what all came off of it right there. Bad at all. Hope you guys like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. HEMI. FLOWMASTER Flow FX. Not bad.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back. to you. Say it like that.